up, YouTube? Listen, family, if you made money today, let me know down in the comments below. As always, I got a jam-packed video, so please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe, help the video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, guys, check it out. Class will be in session today. I always want to make sure that I'm adding value and I'm edifying your life, okay? Today, check out this bullish candlestick pattern, okay? Now, I'm gonna give you 3 plays today, but part of your homework will be to find what I'm teaching you in the candlesticks charts, okay? And so we're going to start off with the 3 green soldiers, okay? You need to see when you have 3 boom boom candles back to back or 3 power bars back to back. Also noticing that none of these 3 green bars, these 3 green soldiers, never came back within 50% of the candle that's in front of it. You need to know and always know when you see these type of patterns on a chart, it's go time. This ain't the time to be hesitant. This ain't the time to be thinking and questioning. This is go time. This is when you pull the trigger, okay? 3 green soldiers will change your life if you ever catch one of those. Also, guys, the one magical thing about options, if you ever catch a boom boom candle, like if you were in it before like it turns into a boom boom candle, you will see your money just jump up hundreds of dollars, okay, if I can make it plain. All right, and so sometimes you don't know these things because you're still very, very new in the journey. But if you ever catch a boom boom candle, like you were in it before and then you happen to see a stock just make a huge green candle, you will notice your income jumps up significantly, okay? 3 green soldiers is what I want you to look for today in the plays I'm going to give you. But nevertheless, we have the morning star, okay? You have the boom boom candle. You have the dragonfly doji, okay? Typically, when you see that level of a wick, that is sellers stepping in at the bottom and pushing the play up to the top, okay? You have an inverted hammer. You have a hammer. You have a bullish engulfing. Whenever you look at the bullish engulfing, whenever the green candle engulfs the red candle, that play is dead. The play to the downside. So that play was probably going down until that bullish engulfing candle. Look at the far left and the bottom, okay? The bullish engulfing candle, when it overtakes the full red candle, that play, it can no longer go down. Okay, you need to know that. I told you, the money is in the charts. The charts are trying to talk to you. They're trying to give you information. You need to know what it's telling you so that you know what to do when you see certain things, okay? It's a game like this. It's a high-level chess, okay? That's what I love about this game. You have the morning doji star. You see that one in the middle, okay? You got the big boom boom red candle. You got the doji, morning doji star, and then you have the big green boom boom candle next to it, okay? When you see that, okay, you need to understand, again, we're going bullish. You had 2 back-to-back green candles, and that big one let you know it's preparing for takeoff, okay? Then you have a bullish piercing, all right? So check this out, guys. On the journey, it's important that you make sure that yes, you can trade. Yes, you can invest. Okay, you can do all these things, and none of that in and of itself require you to know none of this. Okay. However, when you want to go to that elite level, when you want to kind of expedite the process of getting off the corporate plantation, because all of this just alone will do it. Just investing, doing your Roth IRA, getting your high yield, just doing the things I teach you guys every day on the 100K challenge alone will get the process started towards getting off the corporate plantation. But when you want to supercharge it, when you want to step on the gas a tad bit, if you can learn the charts, people always talk about financial literacy, but the financial literacy coach teaches is how to read a chart. Okay, I'm talking about the financial literacy of reading a chart. Why? Because I told you guys from day one, the money is in the charts. I'm only as surgical as I am because I know these charts to a T. Okay, I already can project what is coming. All right, when I see a chart forming and when I see the patterns that they're showing, and then again the high probability setups that you get from time to time, when you trust yourself, when you trust your due diligence and you take the shot, it's very rewarding when it go in your favor. Okay, so guys, take a look at this, but focus on the top left 3 green soldiers. Okay, because check this out. In today's video, I have these 3 plays for you that also made those exact candle patterns today, and this is why they went crazy. Take a look at Palantir, guys. Ticker symbol PLTR. All of you should be familiar with this. This is just the gift that keeps on giving. This is currently sitting at 112.32. Okay, man, it keeps me so grounded and humble to see the lives that has changed just when people just get the right person speaking into their life and they just listen and follow instructions. I told you guys about this play at $8, more recently at $12, and if you join later at $20. It is now sitting at $112. No matter where you got it at, it has changed your life at this point in time. No matter where you got it at, okay? Plus, I have talked to countless people that just has done tremendously well in this, guys. Look at this is bull flag. It's just going crazy. These are just number of bull flags all over this line chart. But if you were looking at candles, this would be the 3 bar soldiers, okay? And so you would see that, and I would want you to know why this play went to this. Okay, when this popped up, I told you guys on Instagram, this is headed to 120, okay? But again, you have made a substantial amount of money. You don't have to try to be greedy. You ain't got to hold out for every penny, okay? If you up significantly, consider taking profit. They can't wait to do something to drop this down, okay? And try to trip you guys up for overstaying your welcome, okay? And so at this point in time, you guys have done phenomenal in this. The next one that woke up today was NVIDIA. Ticker symbol NVDA, sitting at 128.42. This one was up 3% on the day, nearly $4, $3.86 to be exact. Seeing this get to 127 and 129 was a sight to see. I was very, very pleased with seeing that recovery. However, I need to see this break 130, because if it doesn't break 130, then it can still come back down to 117, 113. But again, I'm rolling with the success it had on today, and I like what I see. Hopefully we can build on it tomorrow to finish out the week, and then mount 130, because then that opens the door for us to go back to the upside. But major salute to those of you that's just staying persistent and staying 10 toes down in these plays, okay? And then the final play for today, okay, now add all of this with stocks I have shared with you guys in previous videos, okay? Because my whole goal, I'm putting these on your watch list because I'm going to circle back and bring out the charts for every single one to show you where you need to buy. Now, some of this stuff in teaching you how to fish, you can go try to figure it out for yourself. But coach is going to come behind you and show you where to buy, when to buy, what strike price, and all of that. But I need them on your radar so that you're familiar with them, so that you see how they were moving and grooving before I came and put the finishing touches on these plays, okay? Uber, phenomenal earnings report. They are profitable for the first time, sitting on a lot of cash. This one has plenty room to go higher. I wouldn't even rule out this becoming a $90 stock, okay? And if we can catch this from here to 90, it can definitely change your life, okay? So put this on your radar. Go look for that candle structure that I told you guys about, okay? Go look for the 3 green soldiers, okay? Go look for the 3 green soldiers on Uber and Palantir. I want you to see it. I want you to spot it. I want you to identify it, because when you see it now moving forward, you're going to know what it means. You're going to know it's go time. You're going to know not to doubt. You're going to know not to hesitate. Okay, guys, this game is a game of inches. It's a game of degrees. And so if you wait, the play you can sometimes miss the move that was intended because you hesitated just a tad bit. Now it took off on you. Or you jump in, but it's on a pullback and it's not in the uptrend no more. Little stuff. So learn these bullish candlestick patterns so that when they present themselves or when you see them, you know exactly what's in front of you. You know exactly what you're seeing, okay? With that being said, Coach just want to get on here. Everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Everybody else, consider joining the money team for next week, okay? We are going to crush it. But do me this one favor. You guys have been phenomenal. Check your PayPal email to either update it to the email you currently use or just make sure it matches whatever you want your email to be sent to, okay? Because all I do, guys, is print off a list. So like sometimes we'll send out a play, but it'll go to an email you used for PayPal 10 years ago, but you currently use your work email now. So do me a favor and just make sure they match. Make sure whatever you paid with match the email that you want to see, so that when we send out the plays, I can't afford you guys to miss Mondays, okay? Mondays, I always tell you, it sets the tone, but on the money team, the Monday and Tuesday play go crazy. All right, so your email needs to be right, so you're not joining or coming in Wednesday at noon, Wednesday at 3 o'clock, Thursday at 11 in the morning. Okay, you gotta, if you get in earlier, preferably by Sunday night, but make sure your email is consistent with where you know, okay, you have the email that I paid and that's associated with my PayPal. I'm okay when Coach send it to that. I know to check it. Do me that one favor. Everything else you guys are doing is spot on. Keep up the good work, okay? We gonna crush it tomorrow because y'all know it's Friday, so you know I don't play. Friday sets the standard. We end every week with a win. All right. Today I just had to teach a lesson, but next Friday I'll probably give you the full play. But be in the Discord because we're gonna crush SOAP. We're gonna crush SPY and Tesla. As always, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.